nakamata na. Duty na siguro sa'yo. Man akong kaligo, lantawa na apadari akong tualya, oh. Pagwar ko ka magkaligo, basa pa ni akong buhok. Ligo challenge ba? Dili lagi maligo, umanag ligo. Umanag kong kaligo, sir, basa pa niya akong buhok. My hair is still wet, guys. Because when I just started my life, I just finished shower, so that's why. Thank you so much. Okay naman, sir. Pwede naman na. Pwede naman maligo, mag-live. Wala ko ligo challenge nga videos kay kuan. Nag-start man ko sa tutorial ko, dili man ni kuan ako akong channel dili man ni ligo challenge nag-start. I started my channel, guys, as a tutorial channel. Kaso lang ang tutorial magkuan pa man daganong kay Ichiburichi. I have to film video, then I have to edit video, so it's a bit complicated. It's hard because I'm working. So I'm working 8 hours a day. How great the word, how great the word. How great the world. Hello, Kian. Welcome back, Kian sa Mary. Thank you so much. So, how's your bonding with your friends? Did you enjoy? Wala ko ligo challenge, sir. Wala ko ligo challenge nga live, sir. Murag one time siguro nga naligo ko pero nakasarado ang banyo. That's good. That's good, Kian sa Mary. So I wish you have a good time with them.